Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change gender using FaceApp. So if you want to see how you would look acts as the opposite gender, using FaceApp, you can transform your appearance and it will be done within seconds. So in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can use a FaceApp gender swap feature to create stunning and realistic transformations. So first, what you need to do is just download the Face app. So if you are using Android, you can find it on the Play Store. But if you can also use the Apple App Store if you use iOS. So open the Play Store and search for Face app. This one. So install the Face app and open the app and grant the necessary permission. So in here, after you set up permission and everything, you'll be directed to this to they will ask you to choose photos that you want to edit. So you need to make sure that you grant permissions for camera and also gallery access. Just choose the photo that you want to edit. For example, here I'm going to choose this photo. So I'm going to change the gender of this woman into a man. And here what you need to do is just swipe through the bottom menu till you find the gender options. Tap on that. And in here, since this is a photo of a female or woman, you can just choose male. There are two options, male and male too. So this is for the male and this is for male too. So I like this the best. And after that, you can adjust or see the before and after. In here, you can here click on the erase if you want to erase something or adjust it more. And if you like with the result, you can just tap on save at the top to download the edited image. Let's try to change the photo from male to female. So I'm going to choose another photo in here. Let's try to use, I don't know if it works with the beard and everything, but let's try. Click on the photo. Again, find gender. Now choose female. Okay, so it works apparently. So the beard will be disappear. So this is the result. You can just choose. And again, tap on save to save it to your gallery. And you can also share it directly to social media. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.